Hi there friends, and welcome to this video. I'm Abdul Wahid. I'm the teacher of this course, and now I'm here to give you some important information about this course. Friends, if you want to learn CSS3 from basic to advanced, if you want to be professional inside CSS, if you are searching for a complete course of CSS3, then congratulations, you are in the right place, and this is the right course for you because this course have the most complete content. And this course, and let me just show you here, 8.5 hours on demand videos, one supplements resources, so you can find all the resources for this course. So from the resources section of this course, so once you enrolled inside this course, you will have full lifetime access to this course, and you can watch this course on any device, that can be on PC, on mobile, and also on TV. So this course have including assignments. So inside this course, after learning CSS3, you can solve the assignments, so you can check your learning progress, how much you have learned from this course. So once you have completed this course, you will get a certificate of completion. So remember, all the videos for this course is downloadable. Once you enroll to this course, you can download all the videos and you can watch all the videos offline. So you can focus here, and this course is a new course. I've just recorded this course on 5 of 2018. So this course has got the most highest review. You can see 5-star review with the 187 students just in a month. So this course is a very high level, or you can say advanced CSS course. Advanced CSS, learn about CSS grid, flexbox, and CSS animation, and much more inside this course. So for learning better, you need to have a course with a high quality video. So for this course, all the videos are high qualities and all the videos are downloadable. You can watch all the videos offline. So one more thing, if you are watching this video on YouTube, so you can find the link for this course in the description of this video. And if you are watching this video on the website on the wahidacademy.com, so you can find the link for this course and the description of this video. So click on the link and start learning CSS3. Thank you for watching this video.